Hi guys, this is XR23 and we're going to be doing a video on War Thunder today. It's actually going to be part 2 of the 1.65 as promised, and we are going to jump right into the game where I'm going to talk more. Okay guys, we are back in the match and we are right now doing the Heinkel 100 first. And I'm going to start talking about this. It is right before the Focke-Wulf A1. And rightfully so. It's nice because it gives you like something different in Awake. But it's very interesting because this is actually, from what I can tell, is an energy fighter. This classification is actually the same classification as the later 109s. Not as the early. The earliers are apparently turn fighters. Though, yeah, and I got really interested by this, because, like, not many planes at low tier are energy fighters, and it's not as maneuverable as them all. It also does not have a very good armament, ruling it out of the boom and zoomer role. But it packs a punch in that retrospect, but it turns ampably, but as you can see, I just went right into a G-lock, like, instantly. The moment I started turning, G-lock happened. So, yeah, and it won't out-turn, I don't think, an E1, though, as you can see, I'm not very assured of this fact. Though, another thing that you can see is that I'm not actually hitting this 109 very hard. Another thing is it does not have a lot of armor plating, which may mean a lot will happen to you in this German plane. What's on my 6? Oh, we've got a lot of people. So yeah, and it's an energy fighter, tier 1 energy fighter, very nice plane. And I'm just going to show you some gameplay, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to die soon, so I don't want to continue on the point, because no, I'm just going to be cut off by a few cannons. So yeah, very lackluster armament, as you can see. I'm just evading right now. It seems I've also had to been reloading in this, right? Maybe not a lot. Which means a decent amount of ammunition. Oh my goodness. But it's a nice looking plane, that's for sure. Looks nice. Here, I'll even give you guys cockpit view. Oh frig. Oh boy. Oh boy. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Hey, he crashed into the ground. Crap, that 110's lining up on my 6. So yeah, like, you can already see that turn time, but, oh, there's another one of my kind in the air, but, ow, now I'm gonna die soon. That's for sure. Like, I am. And, ow, 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 yep, see, I'm dead. And yeah, that's the Heinkel 100 for you. It's a nice looking plane, it performs decently. I'd recommend getting it myself. Okay guys, we are back. And the next plane we're doing is the Ju-88C6. It was added this update, of course. And I never knew it got a bomber spawn. I never knew it got that. But now that I know, that's a great thing. With this plane, it's hard to explain, but with this plane, I haven't spent too much time with it, but what I can tell is it may be a boom and zoomer. It may be like a boom and zoomer energy fighter, but it actually is looking sort of like a turn fighter, sort of. I can't really tell what this plane is, but I'm gonna go with boom and zoomer and energy fighter. The first thing that goes to my mind with this plane is that it's heavy fighter Ju-88 with the new updated flight model on hand, and it's very interesting in that retrospect that has the new flight model on hand. It also has a very ferocious armament. You don't want to get into this thing's armament, man, but yeah, like, this is a boom and zoomer, basically. This is an energy fighter boom and zoomer kind of thing. I guessed it. I guessed what this plane was. Do I get a chocolate for that? Anybody? Yep, but I've critical hitted this wildcat. Let me just finish it off here. Actually, I've got a... fudging. I've got to do a loop-de-loop on this wildcat. I want the kill. That was me, but... Oh, no. Crap. That was definitely not me, but I am so going to pay for it, won't I? But, no. I capture the airfield. Ouch. And I have to leave my aircraft. Or R. And I have to leave it now. See? So that wasn't that bad. Definitely. So there you go, guys. Boom and zoomer. Think of it what you will. I have literally no opinions of this. I am sad. And we are going to be moving on to the next plane very short. Okay, guys, we are back, and the next plane we are reviewing is the Hellcat Mark II. It's the premium British Hellcat. It was always there, technically, but I think they've updated it to the Hellcat 5, and it got a new flight model. So, yeah. First thing that I see about this plane is... it's... how should I say this? It's an energy fighter, though it's also a turner, and it can be used as a boom and zoomer. It's a jack of all trades, if you will. It's the jack of all cats, but it can be outturned. What? Upwards, upside down, Idaho's? What the? I have no idea what's going on. Everything just die in a hole. Oh! Get nailed with rockets! Also, first of all, rockets are a valuable weapon. Equip them when you feel like it, or when you're out of bloody ammo with your guns. Though yeah, I guess this thing isn't a turner, but still it can. Especially in this tier. Oh gosh! Oh, balls. And it's also quite a rugged plane, I found. It's a rugged one. It can withstand some hits. Okay. Oh crap. See, like, look at that. I just withstanded